What is going on, everyone? We are back on the water. We are back in the same place we always are, fishing for the trophy trout. Well, Chris Wiley and Fern. I'm gonna be using a bunch of the recycled rooster tails that I found last week, so if you haven't seen that, put a little link in the description for that video. I found like 11 rooster tails, so I'm gonna get rigged up, get in the water, see if we can catch one within the next 30 minutes or so.
I think they're as low as possible, you know?
Yeah. No wonder it wasn't working. Caught a shell.
Got him.
Get him! You sure it's not a rock?
No, it's not a rock, it's good.
Oh. You're gonna lose him. On the board.
Hell yeah.
That didn't take too long.
What's up?
That didn't take too long.
No.
All right, that's good news. We've been here 10 minutes. Fern got one. Looking pretty good size. We'll find out.
15?
15er?
Got him.
Another one?
Yeah. Ooh, this one's fucking beautiful. Yeah, this one for sure. Yeah. So the males have the longer, like, bottom lip?
Yeah, the horn.
Yeah, he's just about 15 too. 15 and a half, 16 maybe.
So they've both been on the bottom. You just let it sink.
Yeah.
You run it at like this speed.
Yeah, like super slow.
I feel like today I'm gonna struggle, and I don't know why. I had really good intentions this morning, and now I should have a fish by now. Come on, any incher. First cast with it.
Oh, you're small anyway. I know, I wasn't thinking.
Was that your first cast?
Second.
All right, we're to spot number 2. As I was paddling up, I saw what might be a trout. So I'm gonna come back down and see if I can lurk on them. Tighten that drag a smidge. Okay, I just saw a trout following it. All right, he's pretty good size too. Let's try this again. You guys probably couldn't see it, but he came swirled on it. He was aggressive. All right, I'm gonna try something else. It's a tough day.
Tough day?
Had like 2 follows, nothing committing. Yeah. Is this an actual fish? I think this is finally a fish, ladies and gentlemen. Can confirm, this rock is moving. Ooh, looks good. Looks good. Come here, Bubba. What? I've caught him on someone else's rooster tail? What? What? I caught him on someone else's fly. Oh my God, what the? Come here, bud, come here. I gotta get this fly off of you. Come here, come here, come here. Whew. Oh my God, I didn't even catch this fish. I caught line that caught this fish. Oh. I can't even catch a fish on my own lure. I gotta catch a fish on someone else's lure right now. Oh, it's pretty fat. Oh my God, hilarious. Okay. It's chunky.
It's a good fish.
Well, first one of the day. I'll take one like this. Whew.
What's your tail?
No. Fish.
A little tiny one? Catfish? I mean a noodle? Is it big or small?
I can see that much of the tail.
Not much of his tail?
I think he's dead.
No, bro, noodle. I'll bite your hand. Check it out. I'll record it. Wiley's gonna attempt to noodle. Wiley found a fish. He's trying to noodle. You need to put the you need to put the net down. Oh. He found a fish in between a rock and he grabbed it.
Found it?
Yeah.
Find it. So its tail sticking out.
He's already hurt. Put him back in the water.
Oh, he's coming all over you, dude.
Oh yeah, don't put that on my yak. Yeah, don't put that on the yak. Oh, he's turning. Yeah. You can tell by his mouth when they get a little bit long.
Dennis, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again. Because it...
Boom! Sunk it.
He's been on a circle hook.
Yeah?
Like a Texas rig.
Texas rig?
Texas rig.
That's nuts. I wonder if lizards would work.
So I was fishing for bass with a Texas rig creature bait. Felt a thump. Look at this thing.
You going with the measure? Oh, it goes to 15?
No, it goes to 20.
Oh.
This is what I caught him on.
Put your thumb through his gill.
Dude.
I don't even think it's 19, it's just fucking fat.
What is he?
You on? 19?
Oh yeah, he's legal.
Make sure, because if he's right under.
Oh, he's not. It only needs to be 18.
Yeah.
Oh, over 18?
Yeah.
Sweet. Hey.
So we finally caught a trophy trout. Had to be over 18. We're at like 19 and a smidge.
Almost a quarter.
Look at this. Dude, oh my god. Seriously. Thick.
That's going to be dinner.
This is what it wanted. This.
Yeah. You got a bass. What the hell? That is not a bass.
That's not a bass.
It's a weird colored bass.
We're getting out of here. It was a up and down kind of day. You crash your drone, you catch your personal best trout. Keeper over 18, so it was a good day. Chris Wiley finally caught his first trout. Didn't land it, but we'll catch it as a catch.
I caught one with a net.
Oh, you're right, you did catch.
Net and a stick.
He also came all over someone.
All over ferns.
I don't know if he has any babies lingering around, but we're trying to we'll dry the drone out. We'll see if it even works. Luckily it was an old drone, so if I have to, we'll get another one. But great day on the water, like it is every time. They had Trout Fest going on today, so if you were there, power to you. Thanks for coming out, enjoying this beautiful, beautiful Sunday. We used some recycled lures, and ironically they didn't work, but I did catch them. So thanks for watching. We'll see y'all later.